I'm recording lots of sparrows. Only so some of the baby ones are taken off. There's some just flying over there. Few over there if you can see them. There's a seagull. I'll try and get as many birds in the video as I can. There's another one, another little baby. Two, that's an adult there. There's one just on a trampoline bit, if you can see it's on there. There's the other two again. If I can, I might be doing another bird video if I get up close to one. There's two. One just flew right past. This one just on there. There's one closer. You can see it. Just there. And there's the other one there. That's just flown off. I think I got a few feathers in my room then. There's another feathered one getting ready to fly. She should take off in a minute. There's a crow over there. You can see it. Just flew down there. Still getting ready to fly, but he's still down there. That's not him over there though, that's an older one. He's just peeking out in between these two pipes. You can just see his head. And if I can, I'll try and catch sparrow mating. Yes, I saw female, male mating. Reminds me of the song Shake Your Tail Feathers or something like that. Can't really remember the song. Yeah, and there's some other birds, seagulls up there. You can see them. And the one just jumped off. He can probably fly already. There's another seagull. There somewhere. Oh, hello, baby sparrow. Not his baby actually. There's a seagull flew overhead. There's some seagulls over there. And the same one still down there. He hasn't moved yet. Well, he just jumped off, and I think he's gone for a flight test. Crow just coming past. There he went. I'll try and get another really close one. Don't know if it works, but it should. There's one over there, tiny black dot there. Probably not going to be able to see that.